Good morning, food adventurers. Today, we're taking a tasty journey through some of the best breakfast dishes in China. From warm, comforting congee to the bite-sized delights of dim sum, Chinese breakfast is packed with flavors, textures, and tradition. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First up is congee, the ultimate Chinese comfort food. This warm, savory rice porridge is a breakfast staple across China. You can keep it simple or go all out with toppings like pickled veggies, pork, or even century egg. It's cozy, it's nourishing, and it's the perfect way to start the day. Next, let's talk dim sum. These little bites of joy are typically served in the morning alongside hot tea. From juicy dumplings to fluffy buns and crispy spring rolls, dim sum is a breakfast experience all on its own. And the best part? You get to sample a bit of everything. Next on our list is baozi. These soft, pillowy steamed buns are a go-to breakfast option. You can find them filled with everything from savory pork to sweet red bean paste. There's something so satisfying about breaking open a baozi and finding that delicious filling. Our final stop is at the street vendor, where we'll find youtiao, deep-fried dough sticks that are often enjoyed with doujiang, soy milk. This crispy and savory treat is a classic Chinese breakfast combination that's sure to satisfy your cravings. And there you have it, 4 delicious and iconic Chinese breakfast dishes. From the hearty comfort of congee to the delicate flavors of dim sum, there's something to satisfy every craving. So, the next time you find yourself in China, be sure to explore the vibrant world of Chinese breakfast traditions. Thanks for joining us on this delicious adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next episode of Breakfast Around the World. Until then, happy eating!